Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 1 Matter Around Us. Under this, we are going to discuss the answer key, students' activities and assessment. First, the student activities. Identifying whether the given substance is a mixture or compound and justify your answer. The first pair is given as sand and water. These two are mixture. Sand and water is an example of mixture. Concrete, it is a mixture of stone, cement and water, sand. Therefore, it is also an example of mixture. Water and oil combine with each other. These two are immiscible liquid. Therefore, heterogeneous mixture. And carbon dioxide is an example of a compound. A compound can be expressed by a molecular formula. Carbon dioxide, a compound. Come to the second student activity. Do some activities to show the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures at your home. Homogeneous mixture, the air, it is a mixture of a number of gases, salt solution, sodium chloride in water. After dissolving a small amount of sodium chloride in water, these are completely miscible with water molecule. We cannot see the sodium chloride particle in sodium chloride solution. Homogeneous mixture. Sugar solution, by adding sugar in water. Sugar in water gives a sugar solution. Alloys, a mixture of metal and non-metal. Copper and zinc, these two combine to form a homogeneous mixture of brass. Copper and tin is a homogeneous mixture in bronze and steel, iron and carbon. Heterogeneous mixture, our earth atmosphere is an example of heterogeneous mixture, sand. Oil and water, when these two are immiscible liquid, oil form upper layer, water form lower layer, heterogeneous, we can distinguish these two, oil and water layer. Third activity, observe camphor and naphthalene balls, compare them based on separation techniques you learned. Explain the technique involved in these substances. The techniques used here is sublimation. What is meant by sublimation? Certain solid substances, when heated, change directly from solid to gaseous state without attaining liquid state. Example, camphor, iodine, naphthalene balls. When impure solid is heated in china dish, the impurities settle down in the china dish and the pure volatile solid vapors collected separately. Volatile means easily vaporizable. This is the apparatus used in sublimation, and here in a china disk, ammonium chloride impure salt is taken and it is covered with an inverted funnel. This is inverted funnel. And the tail of the funnel is covered with a cotton block. That means no vapor escape from the funnel. And when heated using a burner, vapors of ammonium chloride are formed. That vapors are condensed on the inner side of the funnel. Solidified ammonium chloride pure crystals are deposited at the inner side of the funnel, and the impurities are still present in the china disk. Come to the fourth activity. Differentiate three types of solutions based on their particle size and try to collect those solutions from your home. One is true solution. Definition: if the particle size of the solution is less than 1 nanometer, then it is called true solution. Example, sodium chloride in water. Colloidal solution. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous system consisting of the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium, what we are using in our foodstuff and use it in our tablet, tonics, etc., etc. All the foodstuff, cake, bread, bun, and the cool drinks, soft drinks are example of colloidal solution, suspension. If the particle size of the solution is greater than 100 nanometer, then it is called suspension. Sand in water. Sand in water is an example of suspension. Come to the second part of the answer key, assessment. Write the difference between elements and compound. Elements and compound. Elements made up of only one kind of atom. Compounds made up of more than one kind of atom. Elements, the smallest particle that retain all its properties is an atom. The smallest particle that retain all its properties is the molecule. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances, cannot be broken down into elements by chemical method. Now we are going to discuss the second assessment, explain Tyndall effect and Brownian movement. First, Brownian movement. Colloidal particles are moving constantly and rapidly in zigzag direction. Zigzag direction. Reason: unbalanced bombardment of the particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. Tyndall effect. When a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, the path of light beams will be visible. Reason: it is due to scattering of light, which is called as Tyndall effect. That means the colloidal particle scatter the light. It is observed by the scientist Tyndall, therefore it is called a Tyndall effect. Come to the third assessment. Name the methods used to separate miscible liquid, immiscible liquid. Fractional distillation is used to separate the miscible liquid. It is used to separate two or more miscible liquid which do not differ in their boiling points. It is used in petrochemical industries. The round bottom flask in which alcohol and water, completely miscible liquids, are taken, and it is fitted with the fractionating column along with the thermometer, and in the side tube there is a condenser, the outlet of the condenser containing a reservoir. First, when it heated, the low boiling alcohol boils, vapors of alcohols are formed, then it is condensed by the condenser, pure alcohol liquid is obtained. After that, water begins to boil, then water vapors are obtained which get cooled by the condenser and pure water is obtained here. To separate the two immiscible liquid, solvent extraction is used. This method works on the principle of difference in solubility of two immiscible liquid in a suitable solvent using separating funnel. When kerosene and water are mixed and taken in a separating funnel, water form lower layer and kerosene oil form upper layer. By opening the tap of the separating funnel, we can separate the two liquids. Define emulsion, classify it with the example. Emulsion. It is a colloid of two or more immiscible liquids when one liquid is dispersed in another liquid. For example, water plus oil, two immiscible liquid, form emulsion. Example, green, oil dispersed in water. Example, butter, water dispersed in oil. So, my dear students, in this video we discussed the unit 1 matter around us, all the students' activities answer key. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.